Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this official Apple t-shirt. So this is a limited edition t-shirt sold at the Apple Park store only. And it's the Apple Park Orchard t-shirt. So apparently Apple Park inside the spaceship has these apple orchards. So this is the shirt. So pretty cool, size medium. Retails for $40. You can only get this again at the Apple store in their headquarters in Apple Park. So there's a visitor center and there's a store over there. Ooh, this is nicer than I was expecting. I like the yellow pop. Alright, so it's wrapped pretty premium unboxing experience for a t-shirt, I must say. Okay. Yeah, no, this shirt is dope. So white shirt, has the Apple Park logo on the bottom, and this is apparently the type of apple trees that they have in Apple Park. So you can see the rim of the spaceship. So this is inside of the Apple Park headquarters. And on the back, what you have is Apple Park, California 95014. And yeah, pretty cool shirt. Let me know what you guys think of the shirt in the comments below. And I will see you for the next unboxing video. Later, guys. Hope you're doing well. Bye.